Okay. Hey everybody. Hey. I'm sitting with my daughter-in-law and we're eating fish cake. So I just want to show you what this look like. I got a little sauce on it. She made onion kimchi and
Green onion.
green onion kimchi. You see that? And she have black bean noodles, spicy with peppers from the garden.
Jalapeno.
Woo! I'm gonna be y'all. And we have rice. It's just hot. And I have my tea. So let's try this.
I don't think it's spicy, just a noodle. I think you ate the jalapeno last time. It's still spicy.
Nah, it's spicy when I first ate it.
Mm.
This baked bean noodle is yeah, I'm new with the chopsticks for real. I hold it all crazy. Say it's called close together. That's not I'll pick up stuff. She also did what the hell is that? Oh. Can you tell the name of the kimchi?
Pa kimchi. It's a green onion kimchi.
Say it slower. Say that slower.
Pa kimchi.
Pa kimchi. I guess I'm saying it right. So also here's another one with the leaf. And the leaves also from the garden. Now what's the name of this again?
깻잎.
Kitnip.
Kimchi.
Kitnip.
깻잎.
Kitnip. Y'all, English all suck. You know what I'm saying? She said eat it with rice because this caught me off guard. It was really spicy. If you look at my video I uploaded not too long ago, I ate this just like it is. And it was like, woo! So let's try it with some rice. Now, I have a real pungent taste. It's really strong. I mean, you have to, ooh! I'm right. Oh, that's hotter than the green onions. Oh, what just came out my mouth? Now you ask me which one is I like. I have to go with the onion. Cause I like onions. I love onions. I love onions a lot. This one have a really pungent, a strong flavor. If you can take that flavor, you'll like it. I have to wean myself into liking that. But I can do the green onion. And I can do the kimchi with the cabbage. Do the cabbage first, the green onions. This one is still questionable.
You gotta use to it.
Woo! And it's super spicy. I'm not afraid of going out the box eating different culture food. I mean, I eat a couple of times because I know if your palate not used to it, you're not gonna like it. Like when I ate the kimchi for the first time, I thought it was the nasty thing in the world. But when she came here, I tried it again, and I got it homemade from another store. They make theirs in-house. It was good. Even when it sit a long period of time, it's still good. I don't know what kind that was I got from the other Asian market. It was so fermented, it had my lips burned. Not like spicy burn, vinegar burn.
Mm.
Yeah, it was just ratchet. But then I learned to love it. Whew. To the next upcoming video, they're gonna make try to get a better up on food picture because I got it on this little stand. My children broke it. We're gonna do a hot pot.
Hot pot.
It's a hot pot where you put everything in a hot pot.
Tongol.
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 Everything boiling together in one, and you eat out of it. So I'm ordering that pot. We can have it here. My Victoria love eating out the box. She love trying different stuff. Now, on the other hand, my little girl Destiny, not so much. Cause my Victoria really want to go to other countries and visit them and try their food, and she really interested in it like I am. So, like my son, her husband, he went on out the box and crazy. True enough, he don't eat the food for real. But I do, and that's weird. I never left here. Right here in Mobile, Alabama.
I think he like different culture, not the food.
Okay. But you gotta like the food too. You gotta like something about the food.
He likes some of it. He has some of Korean food he likes, but
What's that,
not
chicken?
everything. Yeah, it is chicken, bibimbap.
Bibimbap.
Bibimbap is a rice on the bottom, and different type of vegetables,
Okay.
and the sauce. But the sauce is like secret sauce, you know.
Okay. So he liked that. And she made this. She liked it. He liked that soup too. You made. It's a soup also.
Egg drop soup.
Is it egg drop soup?
He like egg drop soups too.
That's it.
And he like fish cake soups.
Okay.
There was a couple of things more. And we call it hangover soup because we're eating after we drinking. But it's bone marrow soup.
Bone marrow soup.
Uh,
Bone marrow soup, y'all. I don't like her noodles, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. I know she might stay out my doggone food, but I ain't. I'm not getting a lot of it. But we gotta avoid them peppers though. Ooh, Lord, I'm not getting enough heat from your kid. Nah.
You gotta, yes. There you go.
Oh, slurp it. That's something I'm not used to. Okay, then. Slurping noise, y'all. The slurping noise.
I can tell Korean food is like most of them red.
Yeah.
A lot of red, yeah, because we like spicy.
Yeah. There's some I seen. Most of it is red. I like curry.
Me too.
I like the curry. Especially with that pineapple in it and coconut. It's real good. So we gotta work on making some curry for y'all. We're gonna
I
share
put cayenne pepper powder.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, so spicy. So good.
Oh, so you made some curry.
Spicy curry.
Did it get you? I just learned some stuff.
It's okay.
Oh, hey, that's how they learning. Now see how she hold her stick? Let's show you how you hold. Put some on yours and how you hold it. Pick it up. See how she got hers? Oh, I can show you. Okay. See how I'm holding it? Now show me how you hold yours.
This way?
Turn your hand the other way. Just turn it back. Flip the other
This
way.
way?
Yeah. We hold it totally different. Look at that. And that's the only way I can pick this stuff up. But it's food up. But it works for me. Yes, it does.
Kyrie.
Watch her. She a sneaky little song.
Here she is.
We come out the dog. She have a
Austrian Shepherd.
She ain't call you in here. At my kitchen. It's a toy.
Toy Australian Shepherd.
And she saw me whine a little something. You touch her, she whine. Yell at her, she whine. You pick up, she whine. And yes, bad bro, you wanna know? You better not breathe nobody's face. All y'all, for that, we are so out of here. We're gonna finish up eating, and we'll talk to y'all later. From my kitchen to yours, I'm Pat Smith, and this is my daughter-in-law. Bye.